Yes. Yes, I do like you. I really do. I think that you're an amazing person that I would love to spend more time with, and a person that I want to make you as happy as you've made me.